Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two easy ways to convert PNG files to JPEG. First, we will do it the simple way using Paint for a single file. And then I will show you a powerful method using PowerShell to convert an entire folder in just seconds. Let's get started. Alright, first let's look at the easy method using Paint. Alright, as you can see, this image is in PNG format. So right click on this image and let's open it with Paint. Once the image opens, all you have to do is go to File and go to Save As and save it as JPEG. And up here, you just have to select the folder you want to save the image. So let's go back to the folder that I saved the image. So this is the image that I just saved. So as you can see, that file is in JPEG format. And that's it. Your PNG file is now converted to JPEG. This method is great if you only have one or two files to convert. Now, if you have a whole folder full of PNG files, doing it one by one would take forever. So here's a faster way using PowerShell. First, open the folder where your PNG files are located. As you can see, all of my 5 images are in PNG format. Then click on the address bar at the top and type PowerShell and press enter. Now I'm going to copy and paste a command into the PowerShell. Once you paste the command, press enter. This will take all the PNG files in the folder and convert them into JPEG files and save them in the same location. This method creates new JPEG files but does not delete the original PNG files. So once you confirm everything looks good, you can delete the PNG files if you want. As you can see, this is my original PNG file for my image number 1. This is the JPEG format it created. Let's look at image number 5. This is the original PNG file and this is the JPEG format. Image 4, this is the original PNG file and this is the JPEG it created. For your convenience, I have added this command in the description below. And that's it. 2 simple ways to convert PNG to JPEG depending on your needs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.